This method covers the determination of the percentage of shale and other lightweight pieces in aggregates by means of a sink float separation in a heavy liquid of suitable specific gravity. This test is typically used to determine the shale content of an aggregate sample. This test is referred to as a shale float test. Obtain a sample of -4 material in accordance with sections 1201.4F1, 1202.4F, and 1202.6, and split down to approximately 200 grams. Do not use the same material used in the fine sieve analysis for this test, and do not wash the sample. Dry the sample to a constant weight at 230 degrees, plus or minus 9 degrees, and let cool to room temperature. Weigh the entire sample to the nearest 0.1 gram and record the weight. Sieve the sample over a number 30 sieve until less than 1% of the retained material passes the sieve in 1 minute of continuous sieving. A zinc chloride solution is used to determine the amount of material that is lightweight. It is a solution of water and zinc chloride that is mixed to a desired specific gravity. Use a hydrometer to determine the specific gravity of the zinc chloride solution. A specific gravity of 2.00 plus or minus 0.01 is required by MnDOT. Introduce the sample into the zinc chloride solution in a suitable container. The volume of liquid shall be at least 3 times the absolute volume of the aggregate. Agitate the sample by stirring the sample with a long handle spoon, with spoon end bent upward at 90 degrees to the handle, with an upward motion until all the sample is in suspension and the lightweight pieces are floating. Allow the sample to settle until a definite cleavage plane appears between the rising shale and the settling sand, approximately 30 seconds. Decant the floating pieces into the skimmer, number 50 wire cloth sieve. Take care that only floating pieces are poured off with the liquid, and that none of the fine aggregate, which sinks, is decanted onto the skimmer. The decanting may be done back into the zinc chloride bath. The material in the skimmer shall then be washed with water. Placed in an oven and dried to a constant weight at 230 degrees plus or minus 9 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, allow to cool to room temperature. If this test is for shale only, remove all other materials, such as sticks, grass, bitumen, etc. Weigh to the nearest 0.1 gram and record all weights on MnDOT form number 2429. This information was provided by the Minnesota Department of Transportation Materials and Road Research and is current as of October 2023. Refer to the MnDOT Field Sampling and Testing Manual for the procedure in its entirety.